Welcome to Sister's Kitchen India. To subscribe my channel, please click on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button to get daily notifications.
Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to prepare mutton liver curry. So let's check the recipe how we are going to prepare. Prepare mutton liver curry. First we are taking some white oil into our karai. Now I'll be heating it for some time. After heating the oil, now I'm going to add some whole spices into this. Here I have added 2 cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks and 3 cloves. Next I'm going to add some chopped onions into this and I'll be frying them till the onions turn little brown in color. While we are frying them, we'll be adding some salt into this to fasten the process of frying. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Now I'm going to fry it for almost 5 minutes. As you can see friends, our onions has turned little brown in color. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste into this, and after adding them I'll be frying them for another 10 minutes till the raw smell of ginger garlic goes off. After 5 to 10 minutes, as you can see, it has fried properly. Now I'm going to add powder spices into this. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and for the color I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder into this. You can add Kashmiri red chili powder as well. Now I'm going to saute it properly, and after mixing them I'll be adding mutton liver pieces into this. As you can see, I have cut all the pieces similarly. Now I am going to fry them for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, mutton liver pieces has fried little bit. Now I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes into our curry. I'll be mixing them and cook them for almost 5 minutes with the lid on till the tomatoes become little mushy. As you can see friends, our tomatoes has become little tender. Now I'm going to add a spice mixture into our curry, in which we have added 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. After mixing them, I'll be cooking it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to add some chopped coriander into this and I'll mix it properly. Our mutton liver curry is absolutely ready. Serve it hot with some roti or chapatis or naan bread. Our mutton liver curry is absolutely ready. If you like our recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.